Good morning everyone. This is Asfiya. I am 2022 passed out mechanical engineering graduate. I am from Malnad College of Engineering, Hassan. I am here in JSpider since August 4th. It's been a month I've joined here. Akshay sir, Anupama ma'am and Ragul sir used to take Java classes for me. Before entering JSpiders, I had very less knowledge about coding. Now I am confident and I am able to execute the programs as well. And these SQL classes, Uma Shankar sir and Sudhakar sir, they used to take up SQL classes for me. I am able to write queries also. They are faculties are very active and very supportive, which made me learn the subject very well. And when coming for the interviews and placements, I'm like giving a tip for non-IT students that guys, please don't look into the numbers, just grab the opportunities you are having. When it comes for the mass hiring, I request you people just to grab the opportunities, be thorough with the OOPS and Java concepts. It will help you a lot. And also grooming classes, to be honest, it helped me a lot in my recruitment. Overall, that gaming things and all I've learned from JSpiders Hebbal only. I would request you guys not to miss any grooming classes. And this is all about my JSpiders Hebbal journey. It was very good. My experience here is excellent. Thank you.